Gorillas live in two big jungles, Banana Empire and Leaf Kingdom. Banana Empire has many bananas. Leaf Kingdom has many leaves. Life good. Gorillas trade bananas and leaves, everyone happy. Until one small banana gets squashed. The squashed banana incident. In summer of 1914, there's a gorilla named Archie. Full name, Archibald Gorilla Ferdinand. He's heir to the Banana Empire throne. Archie decides to visit a smaller jungle called Banana Serbia. Problem? Banana Serbia doesn't like the Banana Empire, like at all. Archie goes there anyway and gets squashed. Not literally flattened, but two local rebel gorillas attack and, well, Archie and his banana queen are gone. Why was everyone so angry? See, before the squash banana, all the big gorilla nations had signed secret, if you get into a fight, I'll help agreements. It's called an alliance system, like jungle friendship bracelets. Except it's not. Because when Banana Empire gets mad at Banana Serbia, they call their big gorilla friend Leaf Kingdom for backup. Banana Serbia calls their big gorilla friend Coconut Jungle for backup. Now you have two huge gorilla groups glaring across the river, saying things like, "You touch one banana, I touch all the bananas." The domino bananas fall. Banana Empire sends an ultimatum to Banana Serbia. Hand over the naughty gorillas or no more banana trade. Banana Serbia says, we'll hand over some naughty gorillas, but not all. Banana Empire says, cool, enjoy war. Coconut Jungle steps in to defend Banana Serbia. Leaf Kingdom defends Banana Empire. Fish Island gorillas, Britain, join Leaf Kingdom. Pasta Jungle, Italy gets confused, changes sides halfway through. Suddenly, the entire jungle is fighting. Why this escalated so fast? Two reasons. Pride. No big gorilla wanted to look weak in front of the other jungles. Preparation. Everyone had been secretly stockpiling banana cannons and coconut bombs for years. Imagine gorillas sitting around polishing spears for decades, just waiting for an excuse. Archie's visit was that excuse. Once war starts, the gorillas dig long banana trenches and just stay there for years. Bananas rot, leaves mold, gorillas stare at each other across mud. Anytime one side tries to grab the other's bananas, they get coconut bombed. This is called a stalemate. It's basically jungle arm wrestling for 4 years straight.
Why it was so bad?
Before this, guerrilla wars were quick. Few weeks, maybe months. But now, they had new toys. Banana machine guns, shoot hundreds of peels per minute, poison leaf gas, metal banana tanks, giant banana boats with cannons. Instead of a few dozen bananas lost, millions of bananas. And gorillas were gone. The real one mistake. People say Archie's assassination caused World War I. But that's like saying one rotten banana caused the whole jungle to flood. The real mistake? All those secret alliances. Without them, Banana Empire and Banana Serbia might have had a short, messy fight and been done. But with them, it turned into World Gorilla War. How it ended. After 4 years, the gorillas were exhausted. Banana supplies gone, leaf money gone. One by one, jungles dropped out of the fight. Finally, Banana Empire surrendered. Leaf Kingdom and friends said, cool, but we're taking your best banana trees as punishment. They signed a big leaf contract called the Treaty of Banana Versailles. It ended the war, but made the losing jungles so angry that it basically planted the seeds for World Gorilla War II. What we learned: don't make secret, I'll fight for you promises unless you're ready to fight the entire jungle. Don't let pride and shiny new coconut bombs decide your banana policy. Or, if you are not satisfied and want to know the entire history of the world under 5 minutes, click here. Creepies, gorilla out.